South Louisiana Quiz Bowl Online is made possible by the generous support of these sponsors: Lapco Manufacturing, modern industrial workwear. Ochsner St. Mary, get the care you need close to home. Homa Paint and Industrial Supply, proud supporter of education in the Bayou region. Hello and welcome once again to the South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. We are in the elimination bracket of our junior high tournament today. We have Raceland Middle School taking on Montegut Middle School. Good luck to both teams. Let's get into rapid fire. In this round 2 is the number of points you will earn for giving me the number that answers these questions. Good luck. The number of signs in the zodiac. Zoe.
12.
That's right. The number of degrees in a scalene triangle. Samuel.
270?
No, 180. In the nursery rhyme, the number of blackbirds baked in a pie. It's 24, 4 and 20. The number of miles in a marathon. Samuel.
22?
No, 26. The number of Harry Potter books. Connor.
7.
That's right. The number of planets now in our solar system. Connor.
8.
That's right. Joe Biden's number as president. Connor.
46.
That's right. The number of events in a heptathlon. There are 7. In Greek mythology, the number of muses. Connor.
7.
No, there are 9. The number of legs on a spider. Lainey.
8.
That's right. The number of gables on Nathaniel Hawthorne's famous house. Not in time, sorry. It's the house of the 7 gables. That's the end of the round. By the way, on the Joe Biden question, I would have also accepted 202-456-1414 if you know the White House's phone number. All right, let's let the players introduce themselves. We'll start with Raceland.
My name is Brianna. I'm in 6th grade, and I like to play volleyball and basketball.
My name's Connor. I'm in 7th grade. I like to do baseball, archery, and student council.
I'm George. I'm in 7th grade. I like baseball, soccer, and student council.
Hi, my name is Jaden Terrio, and I like to play my Xbox.
All right, Connor is the team captain. Tell us about Raceland.
We are here representing Raceland Middle School. Our mission is to provide a rigorous education to diverse learners in a supportive environment in order to cultivate productive, lifelong learners. We would like to thank South Louisiana Quiz Bowl and KWBJ for the opportunity to participate today. We do things the right way, the Raceland Middle School way. Thanks goes to Ms. Osborne, our principal, and Ms. Zarang, our vice principal, for their support. Go Cubs.
Thank you, Connor. Thanks to the faculty sponsor, Ms. Michelle Boudreau. Let's welcome back Raceland Middle School. All right, here are the players from Montegut.
My name is Sadie Martin. I am in 7th grade honors, and I like to ride my bike.
Hi, my name is Lainey. I'm in 8th grade. I'm in honors, and I like to draw.
Hello, my name is Samuel Neal. I am in 7th grade honors, and I am in band, and I like to play video games.
Hi, I'm Zoe Narkin. I'm in honors, and I like to read, and I play the flute.
Okay, Lainey, team captain for Montegut. You have the floor.
Montegut Middle is located in southern Terrebonne Parish and serves approximately 500 students in grades 5 to 8 from the communities of Montegut, Berg, and Pontchartrain. MMS offers a full and varied selection of extracurricular activities, including Junior Honor Society, Junior Beta, and 4-H. Our faculty and staff, led by Principal Jennifer Petrie and Assistant Principal Paige Hebert, strive to engage, educate, and empower every student every day. The MMS Quiz Bowl team would like to thank Mr. Chris Hunter and KWBJ for continuing to put on the South Louisiana Quiz Bowl tournament.
Thank you, Lainey. Thank you to the faculty sponsor, Ms. Liz Hebert. Let's welcome back Montegut Middle School. All right, let's continue on with our toss-up bonus round. Start with a 2-point toss-up. Prior to this war, the Chesapeake Leopard affair led to an outrage over forced military service. During this war, Andrew Jackson fought the Battle of New Orleans, even though the treaty... Lainey?
War of 1812.
That's correct. Bonus question goes to Montegut. These substances can be anodized, such as by galvanizing, in order to build a strong oxide layer around them to prevent rusting. For 2 points each, name these substances that have high electrical and thermal conductivities, because valence electrons in these substances are entirely delocalized in a sea of electrons.
Iron.
Sorry, no. Raceland? Your answer? Those are metals. Montague, metals are often malleable, meaning they can be pounded into sheets and have this property, the ability to be stretched into a thinned wire.
Flexibility.
Sorry, no. Raceland? Your answer? They are ductile, ductility. And Montague, metals cannot be ductile in this state of matter since their atoms move too freely to form a rigid shape. This state of matter can be reached by melting a solid or by compressing a gas.
Liquid.
That's correct. Got one right for 2 points. We go to a 2-point toss-up. Teachers of this religion must learn halakhash, including 613 mitzvahs, a series of commandments that were given on Mount Sinai. Name this religion whose patriarchs are Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Connor.
Jew.
Judaism, that is correct. Bonus question for Raceland. The value of this quantity for a parabolic arch is 2/3 times the height of the arch times the base of the arch. For 2 points each, name this two-dimensional measurement of the size of a shape. For a circle, it can be found by taking pi times the square of the radius.
Area.
That's right. A three-dimensional figure does not have area. Instead, this other measurement considers the total measurement of the boundary points of the three-dimensional object.
Volume.
No, sorry. Montague?
Circumference.
No, surface area. And Raceland, the area of a curved two-dimensional region can be found by using integration, the opposite of differentiation in this mathematical discipline. Answer? Montague. Answer? It is calculus. 2 points for Raceland on that. Here's a 2-point toss-up. Lakes Lucerne and Geneva, as well as the origins of the Rhone and the Rhine rivers, are found in this mountain range, which includes Mont Blanc and the Matterhorn. Hannibal's elephants mostly failed to cross what mountain range on the border between Switzerland and Italy? Anyone? Lady?
Swiss Mill.
No, sorry. Raceland? Those are the Alps. 2-point toss-up. Found below silver on the periodic table, which heavy transition metal has the symbol AU? Samuel?
Gold.
That's correct. Bonus question for Montague. Gustav Mahler wrote 9 symphonies, but left his 10th unfinished to avoid the so-called curse of the 9th. For 2 points each, name the composer who was responsible for Mahler's superstition, because ever since this composer's chorale 9th symphony, no composer had finished a 10th symphony.
Bach.
Not Bach. Raceland?
Beethoven.
It was Ludwig van Beethoven. Montague, Mahler's primary occupation was conducting rather than composing. He directed many of this composer's operas, including Tristan and Isolde, The Valkyries, and The Ring of the Nibelungs. Answer. Raceland. Answer.
Bach.
No, Wagner. Montague, Beethoven and Wagner were composers from what is now this modern-day nation.
Germany.
That's correct. 2 points for each team on that. And here's a 2-point toss-up. A sculpture of this man shows him wearing only a hat and boots and standing on his opponent's head, and was cast in bronze by Donatello. A more famous statue of this figure shows him standing casually with a slingshot draped over his shoulder. Michelangelo sculpted what biblical king who slew Goliath? Connor.
David.
That's correct. Bonus to Raceland. During this enormous war, a road in Verdun became known as the Sacred Way. For 2 points each, name this early 20th century war caused partly by the recent formation of the German Empire. Answer. Montague. Need an answer.
World War I.
That is correct. Raceland, the bloodiest battle in World War I, took place by a French river. This battle saw the first use of a tank and concluded with over 1 million casualties. Answer.
Pass.
Montague?
Battle of Petersburg.
No, it's this Battle of the Somme. Raceland, this type of warfare, widely used during World War I, greatly contributed to the death toll at the Battle of the Somme. This form of warfare often included barbed wire strung across a no man's land. Your answer?
Pass.
Montague?
Trench warfare.
Trench warfare is correct. 4 points for Montague, and that's the end of the round. Welcome back to South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. Both teams subbing for this round. Let's meet those players, starting with Raceland.
Hi, my name is Caden. I'm in 7th grade and I like to play baseball.
All right, welcome to the game. And 2 players coming in for Montague.
Hello, my name is William Hall. I am the 8th grade Honor Society. I enjoy video games and riding my bike through the woods.
All right, and way over on the other side, we have.
I'm Caleb Chaudier. I'm in 7th grade honors and I play the tuba.
All right, welcome to you as well. Montague holding a 2-point lead over Raceland as we continue on. 2-point toss-ups for you. Standing about 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest, Olympus Mons is perhaps the most prominent geographic feature of what planet? Samuel.
Mars.
That's right. In this novel, Charles and Mercedes drown after Hal is attacked, and the protagonist wins a fight against Spitz after being trained by a man in a red sweater. Buck goes to live with wolves and becomes known as Ghost Dog in what novel by Jack London? George.
Call of the Wild.
That's right. The rock edicts were created by Ashoka the Great, a convert to this religion. Its founder sought enlightenment under a Bodhi tree and was named Siddhartha Gautama. The Dalai Lama practices what Indian religion which believes, Connor?
Buddhism.
That's right. Its sequence is arithmetic if its terms can be found by using this mathematical operation repeatedly with the same value. 0 is this operation's identity. Name this basic mathematical operation. Caleb.
Exponents.
Sorry, no. Raceland?
Multiplication.
No, looking for addition. This economic system can be coercive or natural, which is usually the case with utilities like electricity and water. This market structure often occurs due to high barriers to entry and can lead to higher prices due to lack of competition. Name this market structure in which there is only one seller. Connor.
Mercantilism.
No, sorry. Samuel.
Monopoly.
It is a monopoly. And that is the end of the round. Montague still holding the lead. So, Raceland, you've got first choice of categories, and they are water, countries, analogies, and the mystery category. All right, what's it going to be?
Mystery.
Mystery. Appreciate your boldness. All right, keep track of your answers as you go through this because they will come into play if you reach the 10th question. Good luck. Jack the Ripper terrorized the red light district of this city. You can pass.
Pass.
This is a name given to a sports uniform.
Jersey.
Right. A name given to a place of shelter and safety, such as a harbor or port.
Pass.
Prince Andrew is the Duke of what?
Pass.
Medieval stronghold with turrets, drawbridge, and surrounded by a moat.
Castle.
Right. The nickname of Joan of
Arc.
Answer? No, sorry. All right, you got 2 for 4 points, Montague. Here you go. Jack the Ripper terrorized the red light district of this city.
London,
That's right. A name given to a place of shelter and safety, such as a harbor or port.
Safe House,
No, Haven. Prince Andrew is the Duke of,
Normandy,
no, York. The nickname of Joan of, as far as I got,
the Ark,
Orleans. Joan of Arc was the Maid of Orleans. You got 1 right for 2 points just for fun. London, Jersey, Haven, York, Castle, Orleans. As far as we got, what do they all have in common? Anyone?
baseball,
If you add the word new at the beginning, they all become geographical places. So, Montague, your turn now. Water, countries, or analogies?
countries,
Countries, okay. All right. We have a minute on the clock. Good luck. What country is directly west of Spain?
Portugal,
Right. Where is Loch Ness located?
Sweden,
No. Name a country that has the same name as a bird.
Greece,
All right. You got 1 right. I'll give the others to Raceland. Where is Loch Ness located?
Scotland.
It is in Scotland. Name a country that has the same name as a bird.
Turkey.
It's Turkey. 2 right for 4 points. All right, let's take a break. We got more South Louisiana Quiz Bowl when we come back. South Louisiana Quiz Bowl Online is made possible by the generous support of these sponsors: Lapco Manufacturing, modern industrial workwear; Ochsner St. Mary, get the care you need close to home; Homa Paint and Industrial Supply, proud supporter of education in the Bayou region. Welcome back to Quiz Bowl. Raceland has taken a 2-point lead over Montague as we come to our final round, and I think we've got time for a lot of questions here. So get locked in. Here we go with the 2-point toss-ups. This novel's protagonist relives a ball hosted by Mr. Fezziwig when he was a clerk. He also meets his dead partner, Jacob Marley, and Samuel?
A Christmas Carol.
That's right. What actor played Sam Witwicky in the first 3 Transformer movies? It was Shia LaBeouf. Which president organized the Camp David Accords, a meeting between the heads of state of Egypt and Israel's Menachem Begin and Anwar Sadat? He later won a Nobel Peace Prize for his work building houses with Habitat for Humanity. Laney.
Eisenhower,
Sorry, no. Raceland? Remember, you're on your own here. It was Jimmy Carter. Scavenging at human garbage dumps likely led to the domestication of this genus. Artificial selection produced breeds like Spaniel and Terrier. Name this genus that includes wolves and dogs, whose name also describes their large fang-like teeth. Laney.
canines,
That's right. The lemur is endemic to what African island nation in the Indian Ocean? Connor.
Madagascar.
That's correct. In order to gain the support of Napoleon III, this country's first prime minister provoked a war with Austria. Forces from this country launched the Expedition of 1,000 in order to conquer the kingdom of the 2 Sicilies. Victor Emmanuel II later became king of what country? Samuel?
Spain.
Incorrect. Whose capital is Rome?
Italy.
It is Italy. Don't forget to ring in. This character is tricked by Nemu after living his life backwards. He predicted the triumph of King Uther, mentored by Morgan Le Fay, and created the Round Table. For 2 points, name this wizard and companion of King Laney.
Merlin,
That's right. Water acts as a moderator and coolant in power plants that use this process, which is sustained once the material reaches critical mass. The Manhattan Project developed a man-made George?
Nuclear.
More information.
Nuclear power station?
No, sorry. The Manhattan Project developed a man-made form of what type of nuclear reaction where energy is produced from splitting an atom? It is nuclear fission. This composer told the story of Don Juan in one opera and the marriage of Figaro in another. For 2 points, name this Austrian composer of the operas Don Giovanni and the Magic Flute. Laney.
Beethoven.
Sorry, no. Raceland? That was Mozart. A woman in Greek mythology named Arachne lost a weaving contest to Athena and was turned into what kind of... Laney?
Spider.
That's right. One side in this war enjoyed victory when the Black Prince ambushed charging cavalry at Poitiers, and again when Charles d'Albret was killed at Agincourt. The other side of this war fought the Battle of Orleans under the leadership of Joan of Arc. Name this war fought by England and France from 1337 to 1453. Laney?
French and Indian War.
No, sorry. Raceland? It was the 100 Years' War. And that is the end of the game. Welcome back to Quiz Bowl. Laney, good job on Spider. That was a game-winning answer there as Montague advances. We say goodbye to Raceland, but there are no 8th graders on this dais up here. Everybody will be back next season, so good luck when we see you again next year. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next week on South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. Good night.